Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting a microphone and confirming input levels. This is where good audio starts. Once connected, open your recorder and create a new project so files stay organized. Make sure the sample rate and bit depth match your video settings to avoid sync issues. Next, position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and enable a pop filter to reduce plosives. Finally, do a short test read and listen back to catch background noise before recording. Now you record with intention. Start with a 2 to 3 second lead-in so edits are clean, and say a short clap or tone to mark sync points. Once done with a take, pause, rename the file, and do alternate takes for tricky lines so editing is flexible. Make sure monitoring is active so you hear what's captured. Reduce buffer size if latency disrupts timing. Use light compression or a noise gate only if needed, because raw clean takes give you more control in post. Finish by trimming breaths and unwanted silences, then apply gentle normalization so peaks sit around -1 to -3 dB for YouTube. Once done, export a WAV for final video editing and an MP3 at 128-192 kbps for quick uploads if needed. When you import into your video editor, align the initial clap or tone to sync audio precisely. If audio sounds hollow or echoes, check room reflections and apply a noise reduction or gate. Re-record in a treated spot if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.